If you're looking for a neighborhood that's not just houses, but is homes, it's community, it's the convenience of location, great schools, green belts, parks, you name it, this is it in the heart of Chandler and a neighborhood called Clemente Ranch. Now let's talk about this incredible home that could be yours. Imagine pulling up to a sprawling private lot spanning over 9,000 square feet with one of the most unique single-story floor plans in this neighborhood. This home isn't just a place to live, it's your personal retreat, offering both elegance and functionality. The backyard is set up perfectly for entertaining or just relaxing. Picture yourself enjoying a dip in your resort-style pool and spa, practicing on your private putting green, or gathering around the gas fire pit with friends on cool evenings. You'll even have a built-in outdoor kitchen, ideal for hosting unforgettable summer barbecues. Just imagine, the privacy of this outdoor space is your oasis, designed to help you relax and unwind. As you step inside, prepare to be impressed by the open concept layout that flows effortlessly, welcoming family and friends alike. The heart of the home, the kitchen, is set up for the moments that matter, with dual ovens, top-of-the-line appliances, and a spacious island. It's a dream space for gatherings, meal prep, and family time. And let's talk about the private master suite, a place you'll want to retreat to at the end of each day. The spa-inspired bathroom is designed to feel luxurious, with a walk-in shower, dual shower heads, and elegant barn doors that lead you into your very own sanctuary. Every corner of this home has been upgraded with style and comfort in mind. From plantation shutters on every window to high-efficiency dual-pane windows and Nest thermostats that provide comfort and savings year-round. And here's something extra. The cellar is open to including furnishings, so you can move in and start living the life you've envisioned right away. As I see it, you have three options. You can keep searching for homes that meet most of your needs. You can settle for something, or you can choose this home that meets all of your needs, checks all of your boxes right here in Clemente Ranch. If you're open-minded to exploring this exceptional home, please reach out to us today and make sure to like and subscribe to follow us on YouTube. Again, when you're ready to make your next step, contact us.